Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Please maintain the decorum. You are supposed to maintain the decorum of the class. Preposition today we'll study preposition. Okay. So preposition is preposition plus an object, that is phrase preposition. Okay. In the middle, in is the preposition and the middle is the object. Okay. Next one is on is the preposition and the main is an object. Clear? By is preposition and the lake is an object. Okay. Up is preposition and the hill is an object. Okay. Please don't speak like this. Participle. Speak one by one. That looks beautiful. Okay. Do not spoil the decorum of the class. Okay. Participle preposition, that is considering. What are participle basically? ing form, ed form, and en form. Okay. Which ends in ing, which ends in en or ed. Considering, during, concerning, provided, following, excluding. Okay. Basically, prepositions are used to join sentences with each other, to link sentences, to link one idea to another idea, to link one part of speech to another part of speech. Okay. Next one is simple preposition. Simple preposition is based on one word, single word, that is beneath, beside, between, from. Next one is double preposition. Double preposition is based on two prepositions. In plus to, that is into. Up plus on, okay, that is upon. On plus to, okay, that is onto. Through plus out, that is throughout. In plus side, that is inside. With plus out, that is without. Okay. So that's why they are called double preposition.
Start. Don't do this.
Yes, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's start again. Double preposition means preposition made up of two prepositions. Okay. In plus to, up plus on plus to, through plus out, in plus side, with plus out. Like this. That is double preposition. Then conjunctions. Okay. There are multiple kinds of conjunctions. But most frequently used conjunctions are like coordinating conjunctions. Okay. You can remember the word fanboys, it's an abbreviation. Okay, it's an abbreviation. Okay, for F for far, A for N for not, B for but, O for R, Y for yet, S for so. Next one is subordinating conjunction. They join subordinating clauses with an independent clause, okay, or they introduce subordinating clauses. These prepositions are used in, you can say, independent clauses. Okay. These are used to introduce subordinating clauses. Okay. After, although, before, so that. Okay. Next one is correlative conjunctions. We can also call them paired conjunctions. They come in pairs. Paired conjunctions. They come in pairs. Neither nor. Either or. We can also, you can pronounce it like neither nor, either or. Okay. So you can pronounce them in any way. There are two pronunciations. Okay. Both and. So that's what we were to study today. Okay. And if you have any questions regarding them, you may ask me. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Allah Hafiz.